Hello friend, welcome my channel. Welcome my channel. I am Robin Mukherjee, civil engineering pass out 1986. Work experience above 30 years. Today I discuss abstract of estimated cost of building number 1, single story building. Abstract of estimated cost building number 1, single story building. Serial number, description, quantity, unit, rate, unit of rate, amount. Number 1, description. Yeah, earthwork in excavation. Earthwork in excavation. Quantity. Quantity. Quantity 10.42 cubic meter. Unit cubic meter. Unit cubic meter. Rate as per modify PWD and CPWD schedule of rate chart. You follow rate. You follow as per latest modify CPWD PWD schedule of rate chart. Unit of percentage cubic meter amount. Earthwork in filling cubic meter 10.27. Unit cubic meter rate as per PWD CPWD rate chart. Amount. Number 3. Cement concrete 1:3:6 in foundation with brick pallets. Cement concrete 1:3:6 in foundation with brick ballast 3.55 unit cubic meter. 3.55 unit cubic meter. Unit of rate cubic meter. Brick work 1:4 in foundation and plinth. Brickwork 1:4 in foundation and plinth. Cubic meter 9.57 unit cubic meter. Unit of rate cubic meter. Brickwork 1:4 in superstructure. 1:4 in superstructure. 15.42 cubic meter. 15.42 cubic meter. Unit rate cubic meter. Amount. You follow latest modify PWD and CPWD rate chart. Then amount, total amount. Number 6, 2.5 centimeter thick damp proof course 1:2:4. 2.5 centimeter thick damp proof course 1:2:4. Quantity 4.56 square meter. 4.56 square meter. Number 7, RCC work 1:2:4 excluding reinforcement and shuttering. RCC work 1:2:4 excluding reinforcement and shuttering. 3.04 cubic meter. 3.04 cubic meter. Number 8, shuttering and centering. Shuttering and centering 28.26 square meter. 28.26 square meter. Number 9, 10 centimeter thick average lime terracing 2:2:7. 10 centimeter thick average lime terracing 2:2:7. Quantity 17.60 square meter. 17.60 square meter. Number 10, 15 centimeter into 8 centimeter vent holes. 15 centimeter into 8 centimeter vent holes. Quantity 3. Unit numbers. 3 unit numbers. Unit of rate each. Unit of rate each. Number 11, 12 millimeter thick cement plaster 1:6. Quantity 125.22 square meters. Unit of rate square meter. 12 millimeter thick cement plaster 1:2. 2.76 square meter. 2.76 square meter. 6 mm thick cement plaster 1:4. 28.08 square meter. 28.08 square meter. Whitewashing 3 coats 153.30 square meter. 153.30 square meter. You are also follow the latest modify PWD CPWD rate of schedule of rate chart for item wise. 10 centimeter thick lime concrete 1.5:2:7 floor over a big flat story. 10 centimeter thick lime concrete 1.5:2:7 floor over a big flat story. Quantity 13.65 square meter, 13.65 square meter. Unit of rate square meter, unit of rate square meter. Number 16. Description 2.5 centimeter thick artificial stone flooring 1:2:4 finished with neat cement. 2.5 centimeter thick artificial stone flooring 1:2:4 finished with neat cement. Quantity 14.4 square meter, 14.4 square meter. Shal wood work for door frame, 0.0528 cubic meter, 0.0528 cubic meter. Number 18, 25 mm thick Indian teak wood batten door, 25 mm thick Indian teak wood batten door, 2.108 square meter, 2.108 square meter. You follow the latest modified PWD and CPWD schedule of rate chart for item wise or total amount and gross amount purpose. Number 19, steel grated door, 2.52 square meter, 2.52 square meter, unit of rate square meter per square meter. Mild steel bar 2.36 quintal or ton. Unit of rate quintal or ton. Number 21, MS clamp 50 into 6 millimeter 40 centimeter long, 50 into 6 millimeter 40 centimeter long. Quantity 3 unit of rate kg. Number 22, painting to steel grated door 2 coats with oil bound paint. Painting to steel grated door 2 coats with oil bound paint. 5.67 square meter, 5.67 square meter. Unit of rate per square meter. Painting 23, painting to steel grated door 2 coats with red lead paint. Painting to steel grated door 2 coats with red lead paint. 2.52 square meter. Unit of rate per square meter. Coal tarring 2 coats. 0.66 square meter. Unit of rate per square meter. 75 millimeter dia CI rainwater spout. 75 mm dia CI rainwater spout. Quantity 2 running meter. Unit of rate per running meter. You will also check the latest modified PWD, CPWD schedule of rate chart for item wise, and then amount and total amount. Add 5% for contingency. Add 2.5% for water charges. Then grand total. That means plinth area equal to 4.7 into 4.3 equal to 20.21 square meter. Plinth area 4.7 into 4.3 equal to 20.21 square meter. Plinth area rate equal to grand total amount divided by 20.21. Grand total length divided by plinth area equal to rupees per square meter. Plinth area rate rupees per square meter. Next day I discussed. Building number 2, detailed estimate of two-room building with walls of traditional brick 25 centimeter into 12.5 centimeter into 7.5 centimeter, replacing 10-inch, 5-inch, and 3-inch as adopted in practice by PWD, nominal and comparison of cost. Next video I discussed. Building number 2, detailed estimate of a two-room building with walls of traditional bricks 25 centimeter into 12.5 centimeter into 7.5 centimeter, replacing 10-inch into 5-inch into 3-inch as adopted in practice by PWD, nominal and comparison of cost. If you are like my video, please subscribe my channel. If you are like my video, please subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you. Bye.